fair to say that whenever Apple puts out an announcement, there's excitement in the air. This time around, it was all about its latest iPhone, the XS. It was heavily talked about before it was even launched, and the buzz was all about the processor and camera quality. Let's find out more about this phone in this video. Welcome to All Hands on Tech. I'm Shruti Shekhar. Jumping right into the design of the phone, Apple stuck true to its classic design. It's super glossy, but thin and sleek. This phone stands at 5.8 inches, which is slightly smaller than some of the other phones in the market right now. The display is absolutely beautiful, and the colors are very vibrant. The phone only has one biometric sign-in option, which is facial recognition. Let's talk about camera quality, something Apple is known for when it comes to marketing its iPhones. Now, there's a huge discussion on the interwebs about which phone really has the best camera. Some might say Samsung, Huawei, or Google Pixel, while others stick true to their iPhones. And the latest iPhone doesn't disappoint users. On the back, it's got two 12-megapixel sensors, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens. It's good for shooting in 4K and has optical image stabilization. And it has a 7-megapixel front-facing camera that has a wide-angle lens. It shoots video in 1080p and has video stabilization. The phone's audio has great quality. It doesn't have a headphone jack, which we all know how much I hate. It does come with a pair of headphones that have a direct connection to the Lightning port, but Apple did not provide a Lightning port adapter. The bottom of the phone has two speaker grills, but only one actually has a speaker behind it, so don't be fooled by the appearance. Despite this, the audio is smooth, balanced, and clear. That being said, what a joke is it that Apple decided to bundle a 5-watt battery charger for a nearly $1,400 phone. The 30-watt quick charger can be purchased separately for $59. So the question is, why is Apple making us pay to charge our phones more quickly? But it's Apple, so are we surprised by this bundle and marketing strategy? And that being said, this phone isn't cheap at all. It's a whopping $1,379. Of course, that's only for the 64 gigabytes. The 256 gigabytes is $1,589, and the 512 gigabytes is $1,859. It does come in 3 colors, a silver, space gray, and gold, which is very beautiful. But don't be fooled though, this is possibly the best iPhone to date. From performance to the look, camera quality, and everything else it has to offer. The phone has Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is supposed to be the best in the market for speed and efficiency. This would be really helpful for those working in an industry needing to use many applications. Load times are faster, and an efficient chip means potentially a longer battery life. The chip also helps with processing larger data sheets and even photo editing. However, if you're looking for the T2 coprocessor that Apple has included on other new hardware, that's not going to be here. Too bad, because it would help boost security. Overall, this is a great phone, and of course, Apple really hasn't disappointed very many people. Let us know if you get the XS. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching All Hands on Tech. I'm Shruti Shekhar.